Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one, e to the power of 3x, I can put like this. Because when we multiply together, you got this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have e to the power of s ds. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by du. So u and u, we have u square. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about t equals to 1 over 3 multiplied by u square. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2u over 3 du dv. That is about this one. So the integration we keep the same. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v, and so we have the integration u multiplied by e to the power of u du. Now we can use about integration by parts again, and this one I will choose about u, and this one we have the u. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have the t multiplied by v so the integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and I will put about sin here. About u, that is about this one. So I will put this one to change for u. This is the end. Thank you for watching.